Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to change your email address on your Instagram account. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing. So let's jump in right now. On your profile page, that's where we want to go ahead and change our email address. All we have to do is press edit profile. Go ahead and press that. And on this page, you either sign up using an email or a phone number on the bottom. So those are the two ways you signed up. So if you signed up using an email, you could go ahead and change it. You could use a phone number instead or a different email address instead. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and select my email address and I'm gonna just wipe it out with that X. Now, I don't have an email address, so if I press done, it's not gonna let me because I don't have an email address or a phone number. So I'll have to go ahead and type in an email address. I'll type in a new one here. So now my email address has been changed. It's that simple. Now you could use the other email address to set up a new account if you wanted to, and this new email address is attached to it, or that phone number is attached to your Instagram account. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily Instagram and social media videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching this one.